Hello guys and welcome to How to Tech Explain. Today we're back with another video. This time we're going to be talking about YouTube and how you can log out of YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, if you open up our YouTube, on the top right we press on the profile icon. What we see here is these bunch of different options, and well, if you press manage your Google account, you're unable to find any option that lets you log out. So the first easy way to just do what you would want to do with your account logged out is that you don't want your account to be remembering anything, or you want the default recommendations based on where you live. You can just turn on incognito and you will get all those things that are usually recommended given where you're living right now. So I'm going to turn this off, but if you really want to sign out, the most easy way is by pressing on that profile icon again. And now don't press manage your Google account. Right above that where it says user dash dash dash, we're going to press on this here. And now as soon as I press it, I have use YouTube signed out, and I have an option to add another account. You can add another account, you can just sign out. I'm gonna hit that, and boom, you are now using YouTube signed out, and you can see that we're back to those shitty recommendations. So that is how you log out of YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.